So let's say that you have an object with a bevel on it and you're getting this weird seam here. So if I just tab out of this so that you can see the UV unwrap, there's no reason I should actually have a seam. At least you would think I shouldn't. So if I hit scale, you can see that that seam stays in the same place, right? And even if I hit G for grab and I move it up and down, that seam stays in the same place. Even more strangely, if I hit U for unwrap and then I do smart UV project, I get this UV projection. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I shouldn't have 6 cubes or 6 squares here. And even more strangely, if I change the amount of the bevel, you can see that that area, this seam here, changes depending on the bevel amount. So that lets you know, and it also changes depending on how many subdivisions I have. So that lets you know that it's actually coming from the bevel. And this is a super easy fix. All you need to do is go back into object mode, go into apply, hit scale, and boom, you are done. That's all you had to do. And now if you increase or change the amount or the number of subdivision segments for it, it'll work just fine. So I hope that helps. Hope that was really quick. Yep, under 2 minutes. I hope that was useful. If this was useful and you're maybe a beginner at Blender, check out the link I have. I have a goodie for you for speed key cheat sheet things if you're new to Blender. All right, see you on the next one.